Alright, we're doing a key to a 2015 Nissan Altima. Let's see if I can get it done before she gets here. I think I got like 8 minutes. Let's see. Alright, that's picked. Let's read it. We got, ooh, that's like an in between. Looks like 3, 4. Break this tool. Oh, there we go. Okay. 2, 4, 3, 2. 3, 3, 1, 3. Right, that's what it looks like. 2, 4, 3, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3. This is the one that you want to actually check. Make sure you get a key code because it's a little hard to read it. Let's see if the key's in the car. Oh, I bet you she has a key and it's not working. No, that's only on Honda, really. All right, let's get this key. I mean, I'll call her and ask her.
Hello?
Hey, did you have a key that stopped working or did your key get lost?
Say it again?
Did you have a key that stopped working or did your key get lost?
I don't have my key at all.
Gone, okay.
Lost, yeah.
Okay, that little bling that you have around your ignition, I'm gonna have to probably pull it off.
Okay, that's fine.
How far are you?
Say it again?
How far are you?
How far am I? 2 minutes.
All right, sounds good.
Okay, I'll be there in a second.
Okay.
All right, bye.
What are we doing? Nissan Altima. I've done keys for her before, so it ain't no big deal. She's not here. All right, here's my Altima 2015. You guys know if you try to program these and you got that bling, it won't actually program it. Pretty sure. Back. Just go by key code. I did fill it and it didn't give me an option, so. It actually gave me 4 options, but the first few cuts don't matter for the door anyway. All right, let's go program this key. The key is good. I'm gonna do it without taking it off just to show you guys. But maybe it'll take it. Let's find out. Maybe it'll take it. Okay, we got our flashers on. Key program. Nissan 5 vehicle Ultima 2015 keyless. Ignition is off, program keyless. Okay. Hold it down. Hold it up. Okay. Here's your security light. I don't know if you saw it. Turn ignition off. Okay. Push the key in. Now look, it's not taking. See that? It's not taking. You see that? But we already know why it won't take. And so I brought my screwdriver with me. Oh, now it's taking. Okay. Turn it off. Okay. Next key, no. And that's it, we're done. All right. It was saying iKey system error before I started. I'm not sure what it is, but actually it's not saying it now, so maybe she doesn't have an issue anymore. Maybe the last key was the wrong key. I mean, I didn't do it. Maybe I did do it, I don't know. I don't think I did hurt this car before. Hey!
Hi.
Who won?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I see you got it.
Yeah, your boyfriend, he knows me. He called me.
Really?
I've done a few for him.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, he was like, I know someone.
Yeah.
I was freaking out because the quotes were like 300, 400, and I was like, bro, like I don't have that one.
Dang.
Yeah. Thank